This device turns your medium format camera into a Hasselbald Xpan. All you need is an empty 120 reel, a finished 120 reel with backing paper, and a fresh roll of 35mm film. Load the reels into the jig and feed the backing paper from one reel to another. Then feed in the 35mm film and motion side up. Then just keep turning until the film is all wrapped into the backing paper and the reel is reloaded, perfectly flat and perfectly centered. Load it into your favorite camera and take pictures.